I am the headmaster of MDP Model High School, Pakundia, Kishugons. In last class, I discussed dreams in the first paper. My dear learners, are we the citizen of independent country? Yes, we are the citizen of independent country. Do you know when Bangladesh became independent? Can anyone the answer? Yes, Bangladesh became independent in 1971. In 1971, dear learners, let's discuss today Independence Day, Unit 3, Lesson 5. Dear learners, open your book, Unit 3, Lesson 5. Thank you very much. You have opened the book, dear learner. Read the passage attentively. Please read the passage attentively again and again. Have you read the passage? Yes. Since you have read the passage, certainly you have faced some difficult words. Let's discuss some difficult words. Dear learners, here you see some difficult words. Enthusiasm. Enthusiasm. It is a noun. The word is noun. What is the meaning of enthusiasm? Enthusiasm. শব্দের অর্থ হলো উৎসাহ। Enthusiasm means eagerness, interest, etc. Let's see another word. Wreath. What is wreath? Wreath means garland. The Bengali meaning is pushpamallo. Pushpamallo. Wreath means garland, which is made some flowers. Suddenly, you have seen garland, অর্থাৎ পুষ্পমাল্য. Let's see another difficult word. Diplomat. What do you diplomat? Diplomat means Bengali means is kutnitik. If we discuss the word in English language, we should say diplomat means a messenger or a representative who represents in any work. Certainly you have understand diplomat. Let's another word. Heroic. Heroic বাংলা শব্দের অর্থ হলো বিরচিত. If we discuss in English language heroic, we shall say heroic means heroic means brave. When any soldier tell something bravely is called heroic. Is called heroic. Let's discuss another word. Illuminate. Illuminate বাংলা শব্দের অর্থ হলো আলোকিত করা. Which which is done, which is enlightening something. Dear learners, I hope you have understand the difficult word in this passage. Let's another topics. In the dear learners, in the SSC examination, there are 7 multiple choice. We call multiple choice in short MCQ. Dear learners, let's discuss some multiple choice. See the whiteboard. What is the closest meaning of the word organize? Dear learners, here I have presented 7 probable options. Observe, celebrate, arrange, avoid. Dear learners, here I have present 4 probable answer. What is the closest answer in this species? Can you tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be arrange. Let's another MCQ. What is the synonym of festival? অর্থাৎ ফেস্টিভ্যাল শব্দের সমার্থক শব্দ কোনটি? Dear learners, here I have present 4 probable synonym of festival. Feast, ceremony, invitation, fair. Can you tell the answer? What is the closest answer? Feast, ceremony, invitation, fair. Yes, the answer is ceremony. Dear learners, let's another MCQ question. The Independence Day begins with. অর্থাৎ স্বাধীনতা দিবসটি শুরু হয় কি দিয়ে? Here I am discussing or I have written 4 probable answer. Placing wreath, পুষ্পমাল্য অর্পণ, gunshots, procession, cultural programs. Can anyone tell the best answer? Yes, the best answer is gunshots. Let's another MCQ question. What is our biggest state festival? অর্থাৎ আমাদের সর্বোচ্চ রাষ্ট্রীয় উৎসব কোনটি? Dear learners, here I have present 4 probable answer. Language Martyrs Day, Independence Day, Bengali New Year, Victory Day. Can anyone tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be Independence Day. Dear learners, in the SSC exam, there are 5 questions. Which question there is 2 numbers. Now I shall discuss some questions. Dear learners, see the question. How do people celebrate the day? When you will answer the questions, certainly you will depend on the passage. You will write the answer reading the passage. How do people celebrate the day? কিভাবে লোকজন দিনটা উদযাপন করে? Can anyone tell the answer? Can anyone tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be People celebrate the day with great enthusiasm and forever. People celebrate the day with great enthusiasm and forever. Thank you very much. Dear learners, see the another question. What type of people come to the museum? What type of people come to the museum? Can anyone tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be people from all walks of life come to the মুসলিয়াম, অর্থাৎ জীবনের সর্বস্তরের মানুষ এই মুসলিয়ামে আসে। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ টেলিং দ্য answer. Dear learners, let's see another question. Number 3. Who take part in parade? Who take part in parade? Can you tell this answer? Yes, the answer is what types of who take part in parade? Defense force, police, border guard, ansars, and BDP take part in parade. Let's see another question. What type of sports are organized on the day? Can you tell the answer? What type of sports are organized on the day? Yes, different types of sports and tournaments are organized on the day, including with exciting boat race in the Buriganga. Thank you very much telling the answer. Dear learners, let's see another question. How do educational institutions and students celebrate the day? অর্থাৎ কিভাবে শিক্ষা প্রতিষ্ঠান এবং ছাত্রছাত্রীরা দিনটা উদযাপন করে? Can you tell the answer? Yes, the answer will be educational institutions will celebrate the day. Their individual programs and school children take parts in various display. Thank you very much telling the answer. Dear learners, I hope you will practice the passage in your free time again and again. Thank you all.